Attrapez-les tous, gotta catch 'em all, Pokémon. Hey everybody, c'est Monsieur Steve aujourd'hui. On va essayer quelque chose de différent. Today we're going to try something a bit different. I'm going to speak in both French and English. Je vais parler en français et en anglais. Before we get started, if you are all about what I'm doing here, please give me a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe using the button below, that would be greatly appreciated. Alors, aujourd'hui, nous allons dessiner, we're going to be drawing mon personnage préféré, my favorite character, Pikachu. So what you'll need for this lesson is a piece of paper, a pencil, or a marker, and I don't know, let's get started. Hey everyone, bonjour tout le monde. Like I said, we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu. Nous allons apprendre comment dessiner Pikachu. So what you'll need is a marker, un feutre or a pencil, un crayon, and let's get started. Je vais commencer avec la tête. I'm going to start with the head. So we'll just do curved line like so, une ligne courbe comme ça. Et puis l'oreille, and then the ear. It's got kind of like ears like a rabbit, comme un lapin. Let's do something like that, quelque chose comme ça. And then, il a très souvent, he really often has an ear off to the side, une oreille à côté. À son côté, at his side. Et il y a une ligne comme ça, a line like this. And then a line like that. Très bien, really good. And then we'll continue the head down. Just like that. So two curved lines, les lignes courbes. And then his cheeks come out like that. Juste comme ça. Okay, and then we'll work. On n'a pas de la place pour tout le corps. We don't have enough room for the whole body, and that's totally cool, and that's fine. We're just going to do our best and have some fun today. I'm not the most amazing drawer. Je ne suis pas le meilleur dessineur du monde, of the world, but, you know, it doesn't matter. I'm just having fun with you guys. On va faire le nez, we're going to do the nose. Et puis sa bouche, and his mouth. Ses yeux sont des cercles. His eyes are just big circles. We'll do one over here as well. Un aussi, juste là. It's okay if it's not perfect because we're going to color them in. On va les colorier. And there's also the white on the inside. Again, the purpose is not to be perfect. Je ne suis pas parfait. I am not perfect. Nobody is. It's to have fun and just get creative. On est créatif et ça c'est ce qui compte. It looks pretty good. Et puis il a des joues. Big cheeks rouges, on va faire des cercles. Un ici. Et un à l'autre côté, one on the other side as well. We're going to color those in later on. And let's draw his hands or his arms, ses bras et ses mains. Et un autre ici, another one over here. On peut faire un pied ici. We can do a bit of a foot over here. It's a bit hard for me. C'est un peu difficile. Ah, mais j'étais capable. Et peut-être un autre, and the other one over here. Et puis sa queue, and then his tail. C'est un éclair. It's a lightning bolt, which is super cool. So let's work on that. We're just going up in sort of a zigzag pattern. Hey, Pas mal, not bad, not bad. And there are, because it gets a bit darker down here and lighter up there. And now for the ears et les oreilles, nous avons besoin de colorier. We have to color this in. But I'm pretty jazzed, looks pretty good. And I'm no expert, once again. Just doing my best, having fun, drawing with y'all. Je m'amuse, je dessine avec vous. C'est amusant. You know what? Not bad. And this is one of my first times drawing Pikachu. C'est un de mes premières fois dessiner Pikachu. So now that we've done pretty much the body, we're going to use some color to make him pop. You could use markers, you could use pencil crayon, it's up to you. I'm going to use a mix of marker and pencil crayon. So his cheeks are red, ses joues sont rouges. So be very careful if we want to try and stay in the lines, but what do you think happens if you go outside the line? Nothing, because it's totally cool if you do. And now, you could use marker to color in his body. I'm just going to do a bit of shading using some yellow pencil crayon.
I'm going to do a quick shade. We can color the whole thing in, just to give him a bit of color. I think it's looking pretty good. You could go and finish the whole thing. I'm just going in pretty quick, just to give a bit of color. And there you have it. Nous avons dessiné Pikachu.
We did our own drawing of Pikachu. If you enjoyed doing this with me, please like the video and subscribe. J'espère que vous avez aimé notre temps ensemble. I hope you had fun together. And I'll see you next time. Au revoir. Take care. Bye.